Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Signet Charge Up Pro Series 25,000 mAh laptop power bank. This is a power bank that is rated to charge laptops at least one full time, and you can also charge many other devices with it as well with its large 25,000 mAh capacity. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so just before we get started, I'll go through a few of the specs of this laptop power bank. So obviously with it being rated to be able to charge laptops, it's got 25,000 mAh of total capacity, which is heaps of capacity, and it will allow you to charge multiple of your devices and give your laptop at least one full charge. Now you can see here that it has out of one single port up to 100 watts of USB-C power delivery into any of your devices. And overall, it can share up to 118 watts of total output power. So between the three ports, you can get up to 118 watts of charging. Now, just before we look around the box, it's worth noting that Signet is an Australian brand. So I'm not sure if they sell these overseas or whether it's only for Australia, but they are quite reputable here in Australia. And it's around normal prices around $200, but I did get it on sale for a little bit less here. But we're going to see how it goes, but from what I've heard, Signet is quite a reliable and good Australian brand. So they're designed and also based in Australia. All right, so now looking around the box, you can see on the front, it just shows the power bank itself charging 3 different devices, a laptop, an iPad, and an iPhone here. And it can really mix and match with any devices. And it says, Charge Up Pro Series 25,000 mAh laptop power bank. Charge your laptop at anywhere, full speed. Charge laptops, tablets, phones, earbuds, and portable gaming devices. And you can also charge multiple devices with dual USB-C and a single USB-A port. So they're the different functionalities it comes with. On the right side, just some regulatory and specifications information. On the back, it just gives you some more information about the power bank itself, showing the different watts that can come out of each port. So up to 18 watts out of the USB-A output, up to 18 watts out of one of the USB-C outputs, the middle one, and up to 100 watts of USB-C output on the final USB-C port with up to 65 watts of input. So that's quite fast for a power bank compared to some of those slower, cheaper models. And on the left-hand side, it says 100 watts total USB-C power delivery from a single port, 3 USB charging ports, a digital display, and a 2-year warranty. So there are different things it comes with. All right, so now let's open up the box and see what we get inside. So opening it up, it says work, live, and play from anywhere. And it shows some different popular brands of laptops and how long it will take to charge them. And then what we need to do to get this open is there's a couple of pull tabs, it looks like here. Try and pull up on. All right, so that was a little bit hard to get open there. It was quite tough. I accidentally ripped the box doing it. But yeah, pulling up on the pull tab seems to help a little bit. And then if you give it a little bit extra prying, it will come open. But it might be hard to do it neatly without ruining the box here. But if we can just, what we can do then is pull it out from the inside here. And we'll have a look at that in a moment. That's the power bank itself, but we'll see what else comes in the box. A little USB-C, the USB-C cable fell out when I was opening that, so that is included with this power bank. And also in the box, if I just pull this stuff out, you get, just looks like a warranty card, and also a little instruction manual, it looks like, quick start guide. Yeah, just a little user manual here, which gives you an idea of how it works and all the specifications and all that sort of stuff. So that's handy if you need to read that. Now, let's have a look at the power bank itself. So we can pull it out of this little cardboard packaging here, and then we get a good look at the power bank itself. So you can see it looks just like most other power banks, although it is quite big, as you can see here. So definitely worth noting, but it's not too heavy, which is good to see. Now, on the front, it just has the Signet branding there. On the side, on one of the sides, it's got the little power reading there. So there we go. You click that button and it brings up the power reading. On the bottom, or it could be the top, I suppose, it's got the USB-A output and then also the two USB-C output ports. And this one, the one with orange on the inside, is the one that you charge with, and it also has the up to 100 watts of output power. And then on the top, there's just nothing. And then on the back, there's just some basic information about the total capacity and the different outputs and how they all work. I'm just covering up the serial number there, but it does also state the total capacity, which is good if you're wanting to take it on an airline and they need to check how large the battery cell is. So yeah, that's the quick unboxing of the Signet Charge Up Pro Series 25,000 milliamp hour laptop power bank. There's also a 20,000 milliamp hour one of this as well, which I'm assuming is the unboxing experience would be incredibly similar. It might just be a little bit smaller. So hopefully this gave you a good idea on what the unboxing experience is like of this Signet power bank. Let me know in the comments below if you're planning to pick one of these up, and also if you can buy one in your country outside of Australia, because I'd love to hear if these are available worldwide. And also let me know in the comments below if you don't have a Signet power bank, but another one that you think is really good and you would also recommend, because I'd love to hear from you if you had that experience as well. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.